Welcome to part 2 of Tub Time. If you haven't watched part 1 of Tub Time, do that now. If you've already watched part 1 of Tub Time, let's continue with this video. We'll start by reviewing the words you learned, the sight words. We'll play Beat the Teacher. I'll point to a word and you'll say the word before I do. Ready? Say the word. Time. Say the word. Here. Say the word. Will. Say the word. Play. Say the word. With. Say the word. Have. Say the word. Now. And say the last word. Cannot. How to go with your sight words. Did you remember the words from last time? All right, the next thing we're going to practice is our CVC words. Remember, CVC words are words you can sound out. We will practice sounding these words out and then blending them together to say a word. Ready? Say the sounds with me. R, odd, rod, k, op, cop, j, ig, jig, r, at, rat, d, ip, dip. How'd you do with the B's and D's? Did you use your hand to help you? All right, here's our next row. Ready? Let's read. B, un, bun, et, set, op, mops, add, sad, it, fit. All right, here's our last row of CVC words. Ready? Let's go. J, ab, jabs, app, sap, r, egg, rag, b, ed, bed, p, odd, pod. Wonderful work, friends. How did you do at your CVC words? Are you able to read them and blend them together? All right, now that we practiced and reviewed our sight words and CVC words, we're going to read our story. Read out loud with me. Ready? Here we go. Tub time. Here is the tub. I will get my sub. I lug my sub to the tub. It is a big sub. This is the sub. It's short for submarine. And this is a vehicle that goes under the water. Okay. Ready? Here we go. I get in the tub with my sub. I cannot play with my sub yet. Rub a dub dub. Now I can get my sub. I play with my sub in the tub. I will have fun with my sub. All right, so we just read the story together. Now we're going to take turns reading in what's called duet reading. I'll say the words in white, and you'll say the words in yellow. So on this page, I would say tub, and you would say time. Let's try it. Tub. All right, keep saying the words in yellow. Here we go. Here, the, I get sub. I, my, to, tub. Is, big, I, in, tub, my, I, play, my, yet, rub, dub, now, can, my, I, with, sub, the, I, have, with, sub. All right, so we just did our duet reading, and now we're going to answer some questions about the story. So we're going to think about our story, and we're going to answer some comprehension questions. Comprehension means I understand what I read. So let's see if you remember and understood what you read. Read the question with me. What is it time to do? Say your answer out loud. Well, this one, the answer was right on the cover. What is it time for? Tub time. So time for a bath. All right, for our second question, we're going to read again together. What do I do in the tub? Say your answer out loud. All right, on page 6, we see what they do in the tub. Read with me. I play with my sub in the tub. And there's the sub, the boat, or the submarine. Okay? All right. Now we're going to get out our paper and our pencil. So find your paper that looks just like this and get out your pencil. You're going to do some writing. At the top, we'll start by writing 3 CVC words. Our first word is the word tub. On this line, write the word tub. So say the sounds in tub and write one letter for each sound that you hear. Tub, tub. All right, if you need more time, pause the video. Otherwise, I'm going to show you how you write tub. This is the word tub. In tub, I hear 3 sounds. T is a T, is a U, and B is a B. The B has a line first, then a circle. B, B, B. Check that yours looks like mine. And when it does, you may put a check mark at the top in the circle. If you need more time, pause the video now. All right. The first word was tub. Our second word is yet. Write the word yet on the middle line. Start by saying the sounds for yet, and write one letter for each sound you hear. Yet. Yet. We haven't finished yet. Yet. If you need more time, pause the video. Let's take a look at how yet looks. This is the word yet. Let's say the sounds. Y is Y, E is E, and T is T. Yet. Pause the video if you need more time. Otherwise, put a check mark when you have it. Check that your Y goes down under the line. And let's go on to our next word. All right, our last word we're going to write is the word sub. So that was short for submarine. Sub. Say the sounds you hear in the word sub and write one letter for each sound that you hear. Sub. Sub. I took the sub in the tub. Sub. Pause the video now if you need more time. Otherwise, go ahead and take a look at how we write the word sub. S is an S, A is a U, and B is a B. Sub. Put a check mark when you have it. Check that your B has a line first, then a circle. Sub. Pause the video a few more times. We are going to move on to the sentence writing part. So on your paper, you're going to go down to where you see the star. Our sentence here has 1, 2, 3, 4 words. Listen as I say the words in our sentence. Have a fun time. Say it with me. Have a fun time. We'll start with the first two words, have a. This is where we're going to write the word have. We're going to start with an uppercase letter. The uppercase letter will go all the way from top to the bottom. Write an uppercase letter as you write the word have. Have. Have is a heart word. There are two sounds that we need to remember in have. Have. A. For the short little line, you're going to write the word a. Do that now. Make sure you stay under the dotted line, between these two lines, dotted and the bottom, to write a. Have a. Have a. Have a fun time. Fun time are our last two words. So let's write fun here on this third line. This is a CVC word. Sound out fun and write one letter for each sound that you hear. Fun. Fun. Use your best handwriting. Have a fun. Our last word is the word time. Remember, time is a silent E word. Just make sure you write it correctly. Time has some heart parts for the silent E. Time. At the end, put an end mark. That could be a period, exclamation mark, or question mark. Exclamation point or question mark. Sorry. Put one of those right here. Let's read our sentence. Have a fun time. If you need more time to write have a fun time, go ahead and pause the video. Otherwise, we're going to take a look now at how we would write that sentence. All right. We're going to start with the first word, have. Have has some heart parts because we don't ever end a sentence with a V, so we have to add an E at the end. So let's take a look at have is an H, a is an A, and then VE is there because remember we can't end with a V, we have to end with an E. That's our rule. So H-A-V-E. Notice I have a capital letter here. Did you remember an uppercase capital letter? When yours looks like mine, you can put a check mark here. Otherwise, you can pause the video until yours looks just like my word have. Have. This is a short word. It's just the letter A. Check that yours looks like mine, and then give yourself a check mark when it does. Have a. All right, we're ready to move on to our CVC word, fun. In the word fun, I hear three sounds. F is an F, is a U, and N is an N. Fun. When your fun looks like mine, put a check mark here. Check that your F starts way at the top and goes all the way to the bottom with a line on the dotted line. Check your handwriting. Have a fun. All right, our last word is time. I told you that this was a silent E word, so we know there's going to be an E at the end. The E is going to make the I say its name. I. All right, time has the three sounds. T is a T, I is the I and the silent E at the end. T, I, is an M. Did you get time written correctly? If not, make yours look like mine and put a check mark when it does. Last thing we're going to do is put a period at the end of our sentence and make sure ours looks just like mine. Pause the video now and make yours look like mine. And then